This is swirl. Swirl is a so-called movement effect. The whole idea behind it is to have an easy and fun way to add more character to basically any sound. The main controls are drift, orbit, flutter, heat, pulse, and wash. Here's a few different examples of what it can sound like. Swirl also has a lot of control on how and where you want to apply the effects. First off, we have two different main modes, parallel and chain. The first runs the effects parallel, and you guessed it, the latter runs them in a chain. Under that, you can choose safe, wild, or mental. They control how intense the effects actually are. You can use rate to control the speed of drift, orbit, and flutter, and width to control the stereo width of the output signal. Each effect has this hidden control where you can choose where the effect will be applied on the frequency range. You can think of this like the personal filter for the effect. You can also adjust the global bypass if you want to apply the effect only to a certain range. In parallel mode, we have three global filters: dry, wet, and full. You can control the frequency in the slider below the visualizer, and dragging the control up and down adjusts the Q of the filter. If you switch to chain mode, you'll notice that the filters change to pre and post. Otherwise, they work the same way. We also have access to a randomize button, some stock presets and the ability to save your own, and a lock on the mix/magnitude knob if you don't want it to change when flicking through different presets. Lastly, the plugin also has input and output gain controls and an auto gain function. If you have any questions, you can take a look at the documentation on our website or send us an email. Thanks for watching.